Okay, my darlings, this is part 3 of our monster thrift haul of items that I've been buying to decorate our Edwardian home in London, England. This video has 18 amazing wood pieces that we are incorporating into our daily life. All of them purchased at bargain prices, which means we'll make a profit if we ever decide to sell them. If you haven't seen part 1 or 2 of our monster haul, then please check out our Thrifted home decor playlist. There you'll find amazing glassware and ceramic video hauls which will hopefully inspire you to recycle beautiful home decor items. I will start with this stunning Italian tray. They are typically from Florence. They are made of paper mache, so papier mache. Beautiful, beautiful gilding. This one I was going to say this one I can't see any chips or marks. But if you look carefully, there is a mark. So there's a slight discoloration around the red of this flower. So I don't know if someone put a hot drink on it, which is an error in itself, even though it's a tray. And then there's a mark here. But this one is unusual because it has the maker's mark and it also says it's from Pisa. So it's very specific that it's telling you the studio that it's come from and that it's from Pisa. So that's good apparently for valuation purposes. This is huge. Look at the size of my hand versus the tray. Absolutely huge. I think it's about 15 inches wide. I bought it from a hospice charity shop and it had been in the window for quite a while at £15. And then this is interesting. So when we had really, really hot weather, so the weather was about 36 degrees and no one was leaving their house, they were just sitting at home slopping around, they had a half price day for everything that was in the window. And when I said, oh, can I have that please? They literally said to me, oh no, that one's not half price. But because I'm in there all the time, they let me have it half price. So this absolutely huge tray, Italian tray, I only paid £7.50 for. They had it for 15 originally. So yeah, wonderful. Very happy with that one. I've only included this in case you didn't just watch my recent video. This is a Balinese, so it's from Bali. It is apparently mahogany wood and it is a carved piece. It's about 9 inches tall. When I found it, it was in the recycling centre and it had really old, corroded, rotting oasis in it with some old foliage that was obviously dead. It was put to the side for someone to take and I asked if I could have it and they said yes. And so I got this amazing pot, which I just thought was a vase, honestly, free of charge, and it's worth about £150. So that was a good find. Fantastic. So keep your eyes open, guys, when you're out and about. These little pots I like. They're just simple. They're carved out of a single piece of wood, which I like. You can see it's slightly exhausted. I find them when they're at the charity shop. And all you do is give them a light sand and then just seal them again with some oil, which can be in contact with food. You can use a teak oil. And actually, if it's a dish that you only display and you don't put food in, you can actually just use baby oil. That one I haven't done anything with yet. That was at a car boot sale, £1. Then we'll go to this other small dish, which looks very shiny. And again, look at the beautiful colourway, cut from a single piece of wood again. There's no joins, it's a single piece, you can tell. And that was £2. I don't need it. I only got it because it matched this huge one, which is a huge piece. I don't know if that's maybe 35 centimetres wide. A very deep serving dish stroke salad bowl, again carved out of a single piece of wood, absolutely stunning. And I only paid £2 for this huge one. And I haven't treated that yet. I haven't sanded and sealed it. So I paid £2 for that, and then £2 for the matching one from a completely different location, at a completely different, I think this one was a shop, that was a car boot sale, the big one. Basically £2, absolutely stunning. £1 for this one. Leave those to the side. So on this little bundle here, where you've got the lidded pots, These are super pretty. This was in a British Heart foundation. Look, £4. I'm a bit slack, haven't taken that off yet. It says myrtle hewn pine. So myrtle wood, pretty, not from a single piece of wood, I don't believe. No, look, so here it's not a single piece of wood. You can tell the grain on this base is different to the grain at the top. But just £4. And look, even if you don't like the colour and you decide to sand it off and not have that high shine on it, which you could do, but I like it, it matches the room it's in. It's just £4, absolutely stunning. This other little one, which honestly I just use on top of books, on a little pile of books. You can see it's exhausted. I can't remember the name of this wood. This is actually an expensive wood, but I paid £1 and that's all smooth inside, so they've smoothed it out as best they can. The little lid is obviously perfect. That is obviously a single piece of wood, £1. And I'm like, you can't compensate someone £1 for all that hard work. It's obviously an old piece. You can see it's a little bit knocked around, but I haven't tried to touch any of that up. I like it, I've left it. Then this big one, I did pay what I consider to be proper money for, which I hate doing obviously. But look at this, how beautiful is this? So this is dark wood, which is unusual for me. You've got this amazing, look at that grain, absolutely beautiful. It's a unique shape. It's obviously made out of several pieces put together. So you've got the base, this pedestal, and then the lid. Oh, sorry, the main body and the lid. So it's made of several pieces, which is still very clever. And I'll have to share the price with you on the screen because I can't remember. I don't know if I paid £12 for that. But look, again, huge versus my hand. I don't know if it's 9, 10 inches, whatever, but very pretty. So those make a nice little collection. If you watched my video for Emmaus in Wallington, you'll see I picked up this display bowl. So solid wood, a single piece carved in to make this display. And I only paid £4 for that one. So that's very pretty, £4. And I just love the grain. And when I oil it, you'll see that grain really pop, which would be wonderful. Another little pot I just found at the Emmaus in West Sussex. And I'm like, ooh, wood and brass, how lovely, wood and brass, blah, blah, blah. No, listen, it's ceramic. I thought it was wood. I just thought, oh, that looks pretty. I'm going to just leave potpourri on it and just leave it on the side somewhere, polish the brass, it will all be lovely, which I can still do. But I was a bit disappointed that it wasn't wood. It just looks like wood. But that's why it's in the wood collection, because I'm special, basically. Let's go to these 3 beautiful bowls. Look at this single piece of wood carved, made in Thailand. They've made it in the shape of a flower. So how absolutely stunning. The grain is absolutely beautiful. It's the perfect sheen. It's not too gory. And just look, it's so beautiful. So I just leave that sitting on the side. So just glorious. And I think I only paid £4 for that one. So East Grinstead, absolutely beautiful, in a charity shop, £4. This one I picked up on my travels, again in a charity shop. That was East Grinstead as well. Actually, I think these 3 were East Grinstead. So the little flower, this amazing design. This one I paid £5 for, which as you'll appreciate is a lot for me. But look at this clever carving. It's so beautiful. The wood is gorgeous. The carving is gorgeous. And it's so silky smooth that I don't want to put anything in it. I just leave it like that. So this one is quite large. If you have a party, you can put something in it that's not wet, but it would just be packets or something. I would never put basic food in there. I don't want to damage it. This one has seen more action in its life. I think £3 or £4 maybe, but I just love the pieces where it's so tactile, you want to touch it. And if it gets knocked, it gets knocked. But in their current state, they're absolutely beautiful and I like them just the way they are. These are actually shoe horns. You know when you use the stick to help put on your shoes so you don't tread down the back of your shoes? But apparently I'm the only person in the world that wants them, because at the end of a car boot sale, the chap only charged me £1.50 each. So I paid £3 for these amazing dark wood inscribed shoe horns. And look at that. I think it's with gold and mother of pearl. So I don't know if the gold is just a pen, but that is definitely sparkly mother of pearl. Why wouldn't you have beautiful items in your home? I have to say I'm scared when I put my shoes on. I don't want to break them. But at the same time, I'm like, I now can get rid of the bright yellow plastic rubbish one that I've got from IKEA and just use these two beauties. They are absolutely gorgeous. So elegant. A lovely lady who's an antiques dealer at the Hook car boot sale. She sold me this marquetry tray, so solid wood with obviously the geometric design, and that's lots and lots of small pieces of wood that they put in to make the pattern. So this has got quite a lot of wear because it's very old, and she got a bit irritated with me because I said to her, oh, how can I fix this? This isn't raised, it just needs sanding and resealing, and I don't want to damage the thin slivers of wood that make up the pattern. So I said to her, oh, nicely, oh, could you tell me what type of sandpaper I can use on this, because I'd like to sand it and reseal it. And she was like, everyone wants to buy old stuff and then make it look new again, blah, blah, blah. And I said to her, oh. And then another dealer who was with her said, oh no, that's easy. You just use 0 grade, like 000 grade wire wool, just to gently sand it so you don't damage the wood. And then you reseal it with whatever varnish you choose to seal it with. So the next time I went, she was very nice to me, but that first time she was a bit cheeky. Absolutely beautiful, £4. You can just leave it on your coffee table with a little vignette or a little posy, and then when your guests come, they can leave their coffee on here and not damage the coffee table. So lovely, I love that. Nearly there, guys. So now we're just down to the 3 boxes, which I love. Look at these, so very different but beautiful in their own right. So we've got this metal coated box. The inside is even metal coated. Now I actually found this at a Heart Foundation shop near Gatwick. It's even got the little legs, look, so cute. So it's just purely a little trinket box because you can't fit a lot in it. Very pretty and lockable. It's got the little latch on if you want to make it lockable. They had the 20% sale on, and this one was £5, and then I got 20% off the £5, so that was great. And that just sits on a bookshelf. Look at this beautiful woodwork. So hopefully you can see the grain on this wood. It's beautiful. This is in immaculate condition. All I had to do was clean out the drawers. There's no dovetail joints, but there is a double join here. And every drawer was all lovely. I just had to clean them a bit. So it's immaculate, no damage, no marks. And this was in that 20% off sale, and it was originally £8, so I think I paid £6.40. And this sits on a bookshelf in a vignette in one of our spare rooms. So absolutely beautiful. Then you've got this one, which I only picked up yesterday. Look how old this is. It's just beautiful. The wear on it is beautiful. You can see the whole thing has dovetail joints. Here you can see I'm probably going to have to try and squish some glue in to stick that back together. But technically it's not moving, which is interesting. And this absolutely stunning box, it's got the little latch on it, which is original. And then you open it up and look, it's just beautiful. It's just old and gorgeous. It's rough inside. Well, I say that, it's smooth inside, but you can see where they had glued the joints. These hinges look like they've been there a long time. So just gorgeous, and that was £2 at the car boot sale yesterday. And that was on a stool of house clearance. So absolutely beautiful, just elegant, and again will be on a little bookshelf somewhere, probably on the library. So beautiful, beautiful items, and just unique pieces that other people won't have in their homes. And that's what I love about thrifting. It's just unique items. It's quite interesting actually, because all of this is displayed out in the house, and I'm doing a section at a time because it means that as I do a section, I can tidy up and put everything back in its place. And that's it for today. Thank you for joining me, and do let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.